intervals in SPSS. So this will be the same data set we've been using before. If you go to the variable view, you can see what all of the variables mean. Again, this is a data set talking about baby weight and whether the mother smoked or not. So if we go back into our data view, what we're going to do is go into Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and then we're going to go into Explore. And then you just want to pick all of the variables that you want. So say you want the head circumference, the length of the baby, the weight, the age, any of these you want to look at, you can put in your dependent list. And then what you're going to do is go to statistics, and you can pick what type of confidence interval you want. So we're just going to do a 95% confidence interval for the mean. So what that's going to do, it's going to estimate the mean for us and tell us where we would expect the average to be. So what we would expect the average baby weight to be, what we would expect the average baby length to be, and so on. So we're going to hit continue. And then we're going to hit OK. So at the top it has all of our variables. It tells us how many of each there are. So this will be our first variable. So our first variable, head circumference, it tells us that the mean of our sample is 13.26. So we can expect the average of the population to be between 13 and 13.5 for our head circumference. So that would we expect the average of population baby head circumference to be. So then we can go to the length. The average of the sample is 19.93, and we can be 90% confident that the average of the population will be between 19.5 and 20 inches for the length. For our age at birth, we have the average of the sample is 39, and then for our confidence interval, we have 38 up to 40 weeks for our average of the population. So this says that most babies are born between, and the average that babies are born is between 38 and 40 weeks. And then for our weight, average baby weight of the sample is 7.2, and we can be 90% confident that the average weight of the population is 6.85 to 7.67. So that should be the exact middle. There will be, of course, lower and higher, but the average of the population we expect to be between these two numbers. At the bottom, it does show you some stem and leaf plots if you want to see how the data lies, and then some box plots so you can see those too. And it will give you those for all of the variables. And that is how you make confidence intervals in SPSS.